Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I have got the brand new Lookfantastic Summer Heroes edit, and this is what the box looks like. I wasn't expecting it to be this big, but inside you find 11 beauty products. It costs £45 and it has a value of £130. Now if you are a subscriber to the Lookfantastic monthly beauty box, then you'll be able to receive 15% off. If I can find any other discounts online, then I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as the link to this box, as it's still available. It was only released yesterday. So you'll find it all down there, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. There's a little leaflet in here, and I was looking to see if we had one of these in the box. We don't, but that would have been amazing. English wines and spirits. The uncommon wine of England. I don't know why I'm showing you, but I just, oh, that's a better idea. But look how beautiful that is. Imagine if we all had a freebie in the box. I love a freebie, especially a spritzer, but yeah, it's 30% off an order. Anyway, got another little leaflet with a hydration freebie here. This is liquid IV, and yeah, that's just an added freebie. I'm trying to see if there is a QR code in amongst everything in here, but I don't know it yet. There it is, right at the bottom. So I'll just scan this just to see if it gives me any extra information. Starting off with my favourite Sol de Janeiro perfume spray. This is gorgeous. This is Radiance, and this is deluxe size, and it is worth £12. And this is beautiful. I love it. As we all know, I'm useless at describing scents. Sol de Janeiro's latest nostalgic summer scent feels like sunshine on your skin, with tropical notes of floral, solar, tuberose, I can't say it, tuberose, coconut milk and warm sands. Oh, I love it. I haven't got perfume on today, so I'm going to spray and smell like this all day. Oh, it's really, really nice. It's more of a sort of sexier scent than the others. The others are more like beachy. This is more like the type of perfume you'd put on in the afternoon, you know, sipping a cocktail. Not here in Wales, my gosh. The weather is absolutely awful, but I can dream, can't I? And to go with it, we got Sol de... I was just about to say that to go with it, we'll also get a Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, but it's so small I can't find it. And then I read the information. You will either receive this spray or a Bum Bum Cream, so that's why I can't find it. But it's a travel size worth £12 and 30ml. So it's a little pot of body cream, so you'll either get one of those two. I didn't realise there's variations. I'll have a quick scan now to see if there's any other variations. No, that is it. That is it. We've got an SPF. This is by Bondi Sands. This is full size and it retails for £7.99. Daily moisturising face, SPF 50, very high protection, UVA, UVB, fragrance free, a water resistant lotion with vitamin E and 72-hour hydration, suitable for sensitive skins as well. And there's 75ml there. I've only ever tried a little sample and I do really like it. So no, I'm chuffed to have full size. Yeah, it's a really nice product. Now the next item, it would have been the first time I've ever had it about a week ago. But I've just bought one. And I got another one now. This is Isle of Paradise Medium Self-Tanning Oil Mist. Ah, saying that, I think I got dark. Basically, every month I collaborate with Lookfantastic and I get to choose some products off their website and do like a monthly haul. And I chose this, but I'm sure I chose a dark one. So this is medium, which is fine. But I got it because I love a mist. It's nice and easy to apply. But the fact it's an oil mist, which is a bit weird because you're not supposed to mix an oil with your fake tan because essentially it will remove your fake tan. But it's Isle of Paradise. It's got to work, isn't it? Got colour correcting actives to even skin tone. And you have to shake to activate. And this is worth £21. If any of you have tried these oil mists, then please let me know what you think. We've got a body scrub, and this is new by Aveeno. This is Skin Renewal Gentle Body Scrub. Exfoliates for radiant and more even skin tone. Removes rough, bumpy skin, and it's fragrance free with nourishing oat, niacinamide, and naturally derived beads. I'm going to have to open this and check them out. There's 200ml here, and this retails for £7.99. Yeah, it's not too harsh, but enough to make your skin all nice and soft. I'll have a sniff now. There's no smell. It's fragrance free. I just read that. It's got a gentle body scrub. We got some makeup. This is from Iconic London, and this is sheer blush in shade Power Pink, and this retails for £21. There's a few full-size items here. I'll have a, I'll top them all up at the end, but it didn't say on the website. This blush is beautiful. I'm not sure about the colour. I'm not sure if I've ever tried this colour before. I have a corally peachy shade, and it's so lovely. It blends beautifully on the skin. You only need a tiny bit. See, this colour instantly looks like, woo! But let's see how it blends out. It leaves like a dewy finish, but not shimmery, you know, really unflattering. It's just so nice. See, that is nice, isn't it? That's a really nice colour which can be buildable. And I just read you will either receive what I've got, which is Power Pink, or you'll receive Rose Riot. They don't show me what Rose Riot looks like. Okay, next then we've got a little mini NARS Laguna Bronzing Powder. This is worth £3. This is brilliant. It's a really great bronzer. I've been using it for years and years. I've also got the cream version of this as well. I just love the tone of it. And it is handy having a little one like this. I'll just give you a little swatch. You've got a mirror there as well. Again, this is buildable. There, can you see? So yeah, we've got a little mini NARS Laguna bronzer there. The shade is Laguna. Got one of my favourite setting sprays. This is Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a travel and it is worth £3. This comes with me everywhere, especially if I'm going anywhere really, really hot. I just spray loads over my face just to try and keep my makeup from slipping away. It is such a good one and I'll continue to purchase it forever and ever and ever. It's a good one. Next we've got something for your hair. This is by Kingsley and this is Swimcap. Shields hair from chlorinated and salt water. It's a water resistant mask and there's 40 mils here. It protects your hair from chlorine, sea salt and UV rays and it is worth £10. We've got Youth to the People and this is Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. This is a face wash. This is travel size and it is worth over £2. Oh, it just smells so nice. It just smells nice and fresh. Yeah, nice and natural. This sounds really great. I'm not sure if I've ever tried it before. I don't think I have. I might have received it, so it still might be in my ready-to-use pile. So there's that. We've got SPF for your eyes. I love this. I haven't tried it. I just love the sound of it. It's Ultrasun, which I know I like anyway. And this is SPF 30, high protection for sensitive skins, non-comedogenic, with antioxidants and microbioactive minerals. It's fragrance-free. There's 15 mils here. It retails at £20 and it's full size. I went away on the weekend to a local festival near me, not that far away. The first time I've been camping solo. Oh yeah, it was alright actually. And to be honest, my daughter did come for one out the 4 days. And yeah, we both were struggling. Our eyes were streaming, just one eye with the both of us. So we're thinking we're obviously put SPF too close to our eyes. It was just annoying. We both wearing black winged eyeliner. Within an hour or two, our makeup looked awful. I do want to put SPF there, but obviously sometimes it does get a little bit too close and that annoys me, makes my eyes run. I love the fact that we got this in the box. And lastly, we've got a Golden Glow Gradual Tan by Gatinol Paris, and this is a travel size and it's worth £22. Builds an effortless, natural and even tan formulated with coconut oil and vitamin E. And there's 75 mils there. It gives a natural sun-kissed, buildable tan with notes of pear and sandalwood. I haven't tried this one before. Yeah, I really like that. So I can spray this all over my body and then top it up with the lotion afterwards, or a few days afterwards, if I want to keep the glow going, that is. So those are all the products inside the brand new Lookfantastic Summer Heroes Edit. 11 products in total, 5 of which are full size. It costs £45. If you're a subscriber, you can get 15% off, and it has a value of £130. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy it for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, I don't know, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.